Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your first client portal. Our client portal platform is a very powerful system that allows you to securely share documents and automate various types of interactions between you and your clients, from project management through customer onboarding to document signing and more. In order to create your first portal, click on Portals and then on the plus button to create your first portal group. Let's say Clients. A portal group is simply a collection of portals that share certain characteristics, such as tab configuration and other settings. We've created now our first portal group called Clients. We can now click Add New in order to create our first portal. Let's actually invite a client to our first portal. To do that, we need to type the email address of the client. If the address is new to the system, MyDocSafe will ask you to create a new contact straight away. And by default, the name of the portal is the same as the name of the contact, although you could change that. So let's say it's going to be Smith Limited for a company. You can fill an optional welcome message or skip it. Hello, please accept this invite to the portal. What we are doing right now is creating a portal and simultaneously inviting a client to it. The client receives an email with an invitation that includes your welcome message and is able to now accept the invitation. Now, since I am already logged in one browser, I need to create an incognito window where I'm going to accept the invitation from. So if the client clicks on the link, invitation link, they see a welcome message like that, where the email address is already predefined. They can adjust their first name and last name. If required, they need to accept terms and conditions of our platform and click Next. In this step, they need to set up their own password. And voila, they have accepted the invitation and they have been allowed into the portal. It's now time to discuss or tell you a little bit more about how to configure this portal. If we move back to your account, you will now see that we have our first portal listed here in the client's portal group. There's a portal user who has accepted the invite. And from now on, you can actually start working together. You could request files through the request file button. You can share files just by dragging and dropping documents into the portal, just like that. And when doing so, you could decide to notify your client about it, or maybe not. You could sign documents just by right-clicking and sending the document for signing. We only support Word, PDF, PowerPoint, and other document formats. Unrecognized formats cannot be sent for signing. So this document cannot be sent for signing, but this one can. So apart from exchange of documents and signing of documents, you could do many more things, such as requesting clients to securely fill out questionnaires and go through more complex workflows that combine several steps, which is very useful when onboarding clients. and this is what the Workflows tab is for. But in this short tutorial, let me just briefly explain how to adjust your portal look and feel. Let's click on X button to go back to the list. And here on the bottom, on the left-hand side, you see Settings. Here you can create a default folder structure, which would be used as a template. Whenever you create a new portal, those folders would automatically be created as well, so that you don't have to do this manually. So let's say it's going to be folder 1, maybe folder 2. If you apply this structure to existing portals, then our existing portal will immediately benefit from this setting. And as you can see, those two folders have already been created. Furthermore, you could adjust the tabs that your client sees through the Open Portal tab configuration button. Here, you can see all currently available tabs on the left, and the ones that are enabled are visible on the right. Not all of those would be visible to your client. For example, the Request Files tab will only be visible to you and not to your client. Similarly, Public Documents, which is a document library that is shared between all users within the same portal group, will only be visible if there are actually some documents saved in the Public Documents folder. Signed Documents is a tab that appears automatically after at least one document has been digitally signed through the portal. Forms appears only if there is at least one questionnaire template saved in the portal group settings. Documents and Workflows and Home are enabled by default. In order to understand how to set up workflows, please refer to other videos. For now, let's just concentrate on creating and inviting your clients. So now that you have created your first portal, you could add more users to this portal through the 3 dots on the right and Manage Portal Users feature. Or you could click Add New again to create a new portal. Lastly, you could add portals in bulk by cutting and pasting a list of portal users and portal names if you would like to onboard a large number of clients in one go. Lastly, you could also use a self-sign-up link and publish it on your website or share it through email, which would allow individuals to create their own logins and automatically create portals in your system without you having to send invitations. You can revoke this link at any time. For more advanced features, and there are many, please refer to our help section, which is right here. Thank you very much.